all to this beautiful Glittish day. Let's begin this morning with a huge round of applause, everyone. We are pleased to have you all here today to commemorate the listing ceremony of Akums Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Limited at this prestigious NSE. Well, before we move ahead, I'll request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Hind. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are here together to celebrate this momentous occasion of the listing ceremony of Akums Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Limited. Established in 2004 by Shri Sanjeev Jain and Shri Sandeep Jain, Akums is a pharmaceutical contract development and manufacturing organization offering a comprehensive range of pharmaceutical products and services in India and overseas. Akums is the largest India-focused CDMO in terms of revenue, production capacity, and clients served. As a CDMO, Akums produces an extensive range of over 60+ dosage forms, including tablets, capsules, liquid orals, vials and ampoules, blow-filled seals, topical preparations, eye drops, dry powder injection, and gummies, among others. During the financial year 2024, Akums had a market share of over 30% in Indian domestic CDMO market. Today, Akums caters to over 1,500+ clients with over 4,000+ formulations across 18,000+ SKUs manufactured annually. Akums has a cumulative annual manufacturing capacity of over 49 billion units across its 12 manufacturing facilities. Akums has a growing global presence with exports to over 65 countries. As one of the leading CDMOs in India, Akums owns the intellectual property for the manufacturing processes of several formulations, and the core business is focused on providing end-to-end product development and manufacturing solutions to the client. Some of the other services include formulation research, development, preparation, and filling regulatory doses in Indian and global market, and testing services. In addition to our core CDMO business, Akums is also engaged in the manufacturing and the sale of branded pharmaceutical formulations and active pharmaceutical ingredients. In 2019, November, Godria Capital, a healthcare-focused equity, invested in Akums to acquire a monetary stake in the company. And now we move ahead. We are honored to have various dignitaries who are the leaders and the stalwarts in their respective field. We would like to welcome them. As I take their names, I'll request them to kindly stand up and say hello to everyone. Beginning with our host, please put your hands together, everyone, for Shri Sriram Krishnan, Chief Business Development Officer, NSE. A very, very warm welcome to you, sir. Also, I would like to welcome our leadership team from Akums Drugs and Pharmaceutical Limited. Please put your hands together for our Managing Director, Mr. Sanjeev Jain. A very, very warm welcome to you, sir. Please put your hands together for Mr. Sandeep Jain, Managing Director, Akums Drugs and Pharmaceutical Limited. We would also like to welcome our book running lead managers. Please put your hands together for Mr. Santosh Verma, Executive Vice President, ICICI Securities Limited. Mr. Ujjwal Singh, Managing Director and Head Pharma and Healthcare Coverage, Axis Capital Limited. Mr. Arvind Vashishta, Head of India Equity Capital Markets, Citigroup Global Markets and India Private Limited. Mr. Vikas Khattar, Managing Director and Co-Head IB, Head ECM and FSG Coverage, Ambit Private Limited. And now, as per our Indian tradition, we start every auspicious occasion with the lamp lighting ceremony. I'll request our dignitaries to kindly step up on the stage for the ceremonial lamp lighting. Mr. Sanjeev Jain, Managing Director, Mr. Sandeep Jain, Managing Director, Dr. Amit Verma, Managing Partner at Quadria Capital, Shri Sriram Krishnan, Chief Business Development Officer, NSE, and all our BRLMs to kindly join us on stage for the lamp lighting ceremony. May I request our book running lead managers also to join us on stage?
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Let's capture this beautiful moment. I'll request everyone to pose for a group picture. दिया जो होता है सुख शांति समृद्धि का प्रतीक माना जाता है। दिए की जोत जिस तरह ऊपर की ओर उठती है, हमारे द्वारा शुरू किया हुआ काम इसी तरह हमेशा अग्रसर हो, इस प्रार्थना के साथ हर शुभ काम की जो शुरुआत है वो हम दीप प्रज्वलन से करते हैं। थैंक यू डिग्निटरीज, यू मे नाउ टेक योर सीट्स। Moving ahead to commence proceedings, let me invite Mr. Ujjwal Singh, Managing Director, Head, Pharma and Healthcare Coverage, Axis Capital Limited, to join us on stage. Can we please have a huge round of applause?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Very warm welcome on this auspicious and grand occasion. We at Axis Capital take immense pride in having been a part of this grand journey for Akums on this listing day. On behalf of Axis Capital and my fellow bankers, Citi, ISEC, Ambit, and the entire deal team at Akums, especially Mr. Sandeep Jain, Mr. Sanjeev Jain, Sumit Sood, as well as the entire team at Quadria, for giving Axis Capital the opportunity to be part of this journey. Also, I'd like to thank both the stock exchanges, especially NSE, for being so supportive, and SEBI for their continuous support across the entire journey. Akums is India's largest India-focused CDMO player with over 30% market share, and it has been moving up the value chain in terms of the sort of formulation it has been catering to the entire market with high quality regulatory track record. It has been very focused on R&D and has built a very large capacity and capability around it, which reflects in the diverse and long-standing client relationships across a vast range of clients. The experienced management team has demonstrated a proven track record, and the company is backed by one of the leading healthcare-focused private equity investor, Quadria Capital. Akums has a 2-decade-long legacy of expertise, experience, and trust. The company is well placed to leverage their position in the large and growing India pharma market as the outsourcing grows with significant cost advantage, and India becomes the preferred destination for the global pharma market. Akums is the largest India-focused CDMO by revenue, production capacity, and clients served, and is set to place focus across all verticals and build leadership. With multiple levers and a well-defined growth strategy, the company is positioned and poised to attain the right to win in a large pharma opportunity, which is growing very fast and most robust manner. We all know and glad to share that the issue witnessed widespread participation and was oversubscribed by over 63 times, garnering over 65,000 crores across the categories, and received more than 23 lakhs applications. That shows the kind of impact Akums has and the charm it has for the wider investor base. I would like to take this opportunity to shine the spotlight on Akums' inspiring journey and congratulate Sanjeev ji and Sandeep ji, Sumit and the entire team at Akums for creating such a resilient business model. It is their vision that has helped the company evolve, adapt, and keep innovating. Their resilience, but have also established them as a trailblazer in the industry. We would not be here without the tireless effort put in by the management team to not only keep the business running efficiently, but also meeting multiple investors across the globe, across this entire journey. To the leadership team, employees, and everyone associated with Akums, I offer my heartfelt congratulations on this significant milestone and wish you all the very best as you embark on this new chapter as a publicly listed company. I have no doubt that your journey will continue to inspire us all. May this IPO be the springboard for Akums' continued success and innovation. Thank you all. Here is to a future filled with limitless possibilities. Congratulations again.
Well, thank you so much, Mr. Singh. And with this, I would like to invite Mr. Vikas Khattar, Managing Director, Co-Head IB, Head ECM and FSG Coverage, Ambit Private Limited, to share a few words with us. Can we have a huge round of applause for him?
आप सभी गणमान्य अतिथियों का हार्दिक स्वागत और सादर नमस्कार. It is immense a day of acute pride for the whole Akums family to really see this the process which we actually started around a year back. Actually, to be precise, the IPO journey for Akums started by the kickoff meeting in a holy place of Haridwar on 1st of September, and we closed this transaction very, very successfully on 1st of August, and today we are here on this listing ceremony. As my counterpart has already spoken about the response of the transaction and other data points, I would not like to repeat that. But what I would like to say here is that I have the privilege of knowing this company for many, many years. And the way that the Sandeep ji and Sanjeev ji has really built this company with the passion and the commitment, that I think is going to be the real value creator for almost 140,000 shareholders who are going to get associated with the company today. And I must say that that family of new shareholders, blessings would be there to really take Akums to a newer heights. And at the same point of time, Sanjeev ji and Sandeep ji, you and the management team would have more responsibility to take care of your extended family today onwards. And I'm sure that the way that the good part is that the next generation also is already there in the business, which again is a heartening from a broader investors' perspective, because there is, as they say, that I mean, the sky is the limit for the Akums. And I must say that this has been an incredible journey, and we at Ambit are extremely privileged to be a part of this journey with you. And we continue to offer our support on the post-listing part also. And once again, thank you to Quadria team also for reposing trust in this syndicate team. I hope that the syndicate team has been up to your expectations. And hopefully, I think the market also will look forward very eagerly in terms of the future performance also. Once again, hearty congratulations to all of you, and look forward to a very, very bright future for Akums. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, Mr. Khattar. And now it's time to invite Mr. Arvind Vashisht, Head of India Equity Capital Markets, Citigroup Global Markets India Private Limited, to share his thoughts with us. Can we have a round of applause for him?
A lot has been said before. I've taken the stage, so I will not repeat all of that. But Sanjeev ji, Sandeep ji, Sumit, and the entire Quadria team, Abrar, and of course, the entire team. Big thanks to all of you for giving us the opportunity to be on the transaction. I would say that this company truly embodies what we are going through in terms of just the manufacturing revolution, the CDMO revolution in the country. It's born out of Haridwar, heart of India, core of India, and it's a moment of immense pride for not only for the team here and the entire Akums family, but for the entire, I would say, country, but also the broader pharma and healthcare, business community. Company has a very significant track record in creating value for its shareholders, which is the family and also the Quadria family. But as Vikas said earlier, now the responsibility for you is to carry forward all the shareholders which have come and reposed a lot of trust and faith in the business as a part of this journey. We've known the business closely. We've known, of course, the family very closely. We've known the next generation of the family that's coming through as well. And of course, the nurturing hands of the Quadria family, which still has some stake left in the company. And with all of that, we have absolutely no doubt that the business and the incoming shareholders will be very well taken care of. With that, thanks again for giving us the opportunity. We're not only are partners in the journey at the start of the IPO, but we'll be a part of the family for a long time to come. And thank you so much for giving us the opportunity. And again, big thanks to the entire Akums family, but also Sunil and Abhishek for making us a part of the journey. I hope we came through on this, but this won't be the end of it. We'll continue to be a part of this journey. Thanks again. Thanks very much.
Thank you, sir, for your warm wishes. And with this, we move ahead. I would like to invite Dr. Amit Verma, Managing Director, Quadria Capital, to share his thoughts with us on this momentous occasion. Can we have a round of applause for him?
Good morning, Namaste. It's an honor and a privilege to be here today. It goes without saying that if there is one company that epitomizes the sentiment of Make in India, for India, at the highest quality standard, I can't think of a better company than what we have today. So we should congratulate ourselves for that. It would be remiss of me to not mention the late Dr. D.C. Jain. I think the visionary who put all of this together, but more importantly, has created the platform for Sanjeev ji and Sandeep ji to take the company to new heights. So one of those days where we would miss him, but I'm sure somewhere up there, he's looking down on us and giving us his blessings. I think it goes without saying that today we are at the cusp of a company which I can safely say provides almost 10% of the medication sold in India. I mean, that's a huge statement to make in a country of 1.5 billion people. Clearly, it is about the trust that people have response in us. I think the journey today is a culmination of a huge amount of back-end work, not just by the shareholders, promoters, by the professional management team at the back, and please give yourself a huge round of applause. It would also not be fair for me to mention the family of Sandeep ji and Sandeep ji, including not just the children, but the wives and the spouses, who represent a lot of work that goes on at home that we don't understand as much. And without their support, I don't think we'll be doing that today. So, and lastly, We at Quadria, I have to give credit to the team that has been working hard, not just for the IPO, but for the past 7 years of our relationship. All I can say here today is that we should be proud of what we have achieved at Akums, but more importantly for Akums, its leadership and the management. Unfortunately or fortunately, the way you take it, the journey has just begun. Now we will have a lot of public shareholders that we have to take care of. But I am confident of our ability to make sure that we do it with integrity, ethics, and the right way. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And now, ladies and gentlemen, with this, it's time to hear from two most important people in the house. First, I would like to begin inviting Mr. Sanjeev Jain, Managing Director, to share his thoughts and his excitement on this momentous occasion. जोरदार तालियों के साथ उनका स्वागत करेंगे. Come on, everyone.
सबको नमस्कार, प्रणाम। मुझे सिर्फ इतना ही कहना है, ये जहाँ तक पहुँचने की जर्नी जो 55 स्क्वायर फीट से शुरू हुई थी 1984 में, तो यहाँ तक पहुँचाने के अंदर हमारी कंपनी में जो कार्यरत लोग हैं, चाहे वर्कर है या सफाई कर्मचारी से लेके ऊपर तक CFO तक, सबने जो भूमिका अदा की है यहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए, उन सबका नतमस्तक होकर धन्यवाद। ये ओकेज़न मेरे हिसाब से एक जिम्मेदारी का ओकेज़न है, जो मुझे फील कराता है कि सिर्फ 2 या 3 शेयर होल्डर नहीं, 1 लाख से ज़्यादा लोग जिन्होंने हम पे ट्रस्ट किया है, और 23 लाख से ज़्यादा लोग, 23 lakhs, जिन्होंने विश्वास जताया था उनके प्रति जिम्मेदारी कि हमको उनके लिए परफॉर्म करना है। तो उनकी बेस्ट विशेस, ब्लेसिंग्स के साथ साथ जो जिम्मेदारी है उसको हमें निभाना है और आगे बढ़ना है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि हम इंडिया के साथ साथ फ्यूचर में ग्लोबल के सबसे बड़े CDMO बनेंगे। मुझे इस टाइम पर सिर्फ जो हमारे इन्वेस्टर क्वाड्रिया कैपिटल, हमारे बैंकर्स, CFO और ब्लेसिंग्स और बाबूजी, माताजी और सबकी, जैसे सुनील सर ने बोला, फैमिली और सबके भी कंट्रीब्यूशन उतना ही रहा है। तो मैं उनको सबको, अपने शेयर होल्डर समेत और अपने एम्प्लॉय समेत सबको नतमस्तक प्रणाम करता हूँ। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
How sweet. On behalf of everyone sitting here and watching us live, I would like to wish you all the very best. And with this, it's time to invite Mr. Sandeep Jain, Managing Director, Akums Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Limited. Zordar talia. Come on, everyone.
नमस्कार। चलिए बैठ, अब खड़े रहते ऊपर ही। सबको मेरा प्रणाम हृदय से। हमारे बीच में हमारे क्वाड्रिया से आए हुए सभी लोगों को मेरा धन्यवाद, और हमारे बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स से आए हुए हमारे डायरेक्टर्स, BRLMs, एड फैक्टर से लोग आए हुए हैं, हमारे ऑडिटर्स आए हुए हैं, मीडिया से लोग आए हुए हैं, सबका मैं हृदय से आभार और अभिनंदन करता हूं। आप हमारी खुशियों में हमारी खुशियां बटाने के लिए आज हमारे बीच में हैं। मैं आपका हृदय से आभार और अभिनंदन करता हूं, आपको शत शत नमन करता हूं। ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, पहले एकम्स के बारे में बात करें, आशुतोष, कैलाशपति, उमेश, महेश और शिव, ये 5 नाव जो हैं एकम्स को बनाते हैं। एकम अरहम, एकम ब्रह्मम, एकम ओमकारा। सभी प्रकार से हम आगे बढ़ें, प्रभु का नाम लें और जीवन में आगे बढ़ते रहें, प्रभु को नतमस्तक करते हुए। हमारी पूज्य माता जी हमारे बीच में हैं, उनको मैं नमन करते हुए। तो एकम्स की जर्नी जो है 2004 से शुरू हुई। 2004 में हमने एक प्लांट लगाया हरिद्वार में। बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस थे, स्ट्रगल्स थे, लेकिन हर एक स्ट्रगल, हर एक चैलेंज एक अपॉर्चुनिटी के तौर पर आया और उसने हमें कुछ और सिखाया। हमारे पूज्य पिताजी ने हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाया, हमारे एल्डर ब्रदर श्री संजीव जी का, अब देखने में वो 1-1.5 साल बड़े लगते हैं, 2 साल बड़े लगते हैं, लेकिन उनका आशीर्वाद हमें मिलता है, उनकी सपोर्ट हमें मिलती है, उनकी ब्लेसिंग्स भी हमें मिलती हैं, और उनके द्वारा दिया गया हर एक वर्ड जो होता है इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को आगे बढ़ाने में पूर्ण मदद करता है, और यह ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और आगे और आगे और आगे इसी प्रकार से बढ़ती जा रही है। और प्रभु ने चाहा और हम सब लोगों के एफर्ट से ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और आगे बढ़ेगी। तो 2004 में एक प्लांट लगाया, फिर 7 में और प्लांट लगाए, फिर 10 में लगाए, और इसी प्रकार से प्लांट लगाने का सिलसिला जारी रहा। लेकिन ये खाली सिलसिला यहीं तक नहीं है, ये है उन आज के दिन जो 16,000 लोग जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम कर रहे हैं, जो 400 R&D साइंटिस्ट जो काम कर रहे हैं, अलग अलग लोकेशंस में जो बहुत सारे लोग काम कर रहे हैं, वो 1500 क्लाइंट्स जो हमें वर्ल्ड का सेकंड लार्जेस्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्लाइंट वो सर्व बनाते हैं CDMO स्पेस में, उनका हम हृदय से नमन करते हैं, हृदय से आभार और धन्यवाद देते हैं, जिनकी वजह से आज ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कुछ हद तक आगे पहुंची है। और ये बहुत बड़ा लंबी जर्नी है जो हमें आज अचीव करनी है, और निश्चित तौर पर हम उस जर्नी पे, हमारे संजीव जी ने आज, हमारे भाई साहब ने हमें एक आदेश दिया है कि हमें वर्ल्ड का लार्जेस्ट बनना है, तो हम आज से उसी प्रयास में लग जाएंगे, और उसी प्रयास को अचीव करते हुए निश्चित तौर पर एक ऐसे दिन की अपेक्षा करेंगे कि, और ऐसे दिन के लिए जो भी एफर्ट्स करने हैं वो हम एफर्ट्स करते हुए चले जाएंगे। आज हमारे पास 15 प्लांट्स हैं, आज लाख लोग हमारे से जुड़ चुके हैं, लाखों लोगों ने हम पर जो विश्वास जताया, मैं उनका हृदय से नमन और अभिनंदन करता हूं, धन्यवाद देता हूं कि हमने जीवन में कुछ भी ऐसा किया जिसकी वजह से आप इतने लाख लोग हमारे पर भरोसा कर पाए। हम पूरे तन मन धन से, पूरे मन से, हृदय से, हर प्रकार से वो एफर्ट्स करेंगे जिससे कि वो विश्वास जो है वो और उसमें 4 चांद लगते चले जाएं, और आपका विश्वास जो आज तक आपने हम पर दिखाया, आज आपने हमको ओवर सब्सक्राइब किया 63 टाइम्स, हम उसी विश्वास को आगे बढ़ाएंगे। ये हमारा पूरा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की तरफ से, हमारी फैमिली की तरफ से, हमारे शेयर होल्डर्स को मैं आश्वासन दिलाना चाहूँगा कि येस वी विल डू एंड वी विल डेफिनेटली डू दैट। तो आपका बहुत बहुत आभार, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, थैंक यू, नमस्कार, जय जय एकम्स।
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, और आपको भी सभी की ओर से बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ। इसी के साथ हम आगे बढ़ेंगे, विल मूव अहेड एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम टू present the mementos to commemorate the significance of this event. I will invite our NSE official, Sri Ram Krishnan, Chief Business Development Officer, on the stage to present the special memento. Okay, so before the memento, we will have the speech. I will request Sri Ram Krishnan, Chief Business Development Officer, NSE, to share his thoughts with us.
Very good morning to each and every one of you today. We're very proud and happy to see this wonderful listing ceremony of Akums Drug and Pharmaceuticals Limited. Any listing ceremony is a very positive occasion, and for us at NSE, it's a moment when we recollect the fact that we are the center of an ecosystem that has made all these IPOs possible thanks to the trust factor that we've created over the past 3 decades. NSE is very proud to welcome Akums Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Limited to our family of listed corporates. And this will be our 2,534th company that's going to list with us on the main board. NSE listed companies have a market cap of 437.92 lakh crores as of 5th August. And from today onwards, Akums Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Limited will be an integral part of it. A few days back, the SEBI whole-time member made a speech in which he mentioned that between 2016 and 2021, the Indian retail participation contributed about 40,000 crores every year towards IPOs and all kinds of fundraising in the capital markets. But from 21 onwards, this has grown 8-folds. And today, we receive about 3 lakh crores a year from retail investors in India. This is entirely possible only because of the trust factor that NSE has helped contribute in forming. The country today is the fourth largest capital market in terms of market capitalization after the US, China, and Japan. The market capitalization of India has grown about 110 times in rupee terms since NSE started its operations way back in 1994. India is also among the largest markets in the world in terms of the number of investors. The number of unique investors we have today is more than 9.7 crore based on unique PAN. And almost 20% of the households, the population of India in terms of households are participating in the capital markets today. The whole-time member of SEBI also mentioned another interesting fact which I want to share with you. He said that, although 3 lakh crores come from retail investors today, the total fund mobilization is only about 2 lakh crores a year. So we need more IPOs if India has to become a bigger GDP, a bigger market cap exchange. Then NSE needs to have more IPOs is a very easy conclusion to arrive at. So 4 IPOs like the one that we have seen today going live will mean that we have raised $1 billion of market cap. And we are short by about 12 to 13 billion market in terms of the gap between what the retail investors are bringing in and what the IPOs are raising. So we need about 50, 60 more IPOs than what we have seen in the past on an average every year. That's the kind of speed at which we are heading at this point in time. And obviously, when we come back and look at Akums Drug and Pharmaceuticals Limited, in terms of affordable healthcare, the government of India has launched 3 production-linked incentive schemes with an outlay of about 25,000 crores to help this sector. And I think this augurs well for players in this segment, including Akums Drug and Pharmaceuticals Limited. The IPO of Akums Drugs and Pharmaceuticals has been hugely successful, oversubscribed about 63.56 times. We at NSE want to congratulate the entire team of Akums Drug and Pharmaceuticals Limited, the merchant bankers, ICICI Securities, Axis, Citi, Ambit, legal advisors, Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas & Co., PR agency, Adfactors, auditors, lawyers, and every other party associated with the IPO for this accomplishment. At NSE, we are committed to facilitate fundraising opportunities for upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories and make capital markets more accessible. We hope that today's successful listing of Akums Drug and Pharmaceuticals Limited will inspire many more companies to take the public markets route as the best route to raise funds. We hope that today's listing day is a start of a strong partnership going forward between us. NSE looks forward to supporting Akums Drug and Pharmaceuticals Limited in future fundraising endeavors as well. Thank you. Jai Hind.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, to commemorate the significance of this event, we'll have the exchange of mementos. I will request Sri Ram Krishnan to kindly present a special memento to our promoters. Please put your hands together as I invite Mr. Sanjeev Jain and Mr. Sandeep Den, Managing Director, on the stage to receive this special listing memento. Come on, everyone. Presenting the proud badges. I think all of you are wearing that, but these are for those who couldn't be present here. Thank you. Now I request, sir, to present the next memento to Mr. Santosh Verma from ICICI Securities Limited. Come forward and give to him. Next one to Mr. Ujjwal Singh from Axis Capital Limited. Let's have a round of applause, everyone. Thank you. Next one goes to Mr. Arvind Vashisht from Citigroup Global Markets India Private Limited. May I request Mr. Vikas Khattar from Ambit Private Limited to join us on stage. May we have the representatives of Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas on stage, please. And now I'll request Mr. Anupam Chaturvedi, Mr. Sanjeev Chaturvedi, and Mr. Shekhar Ghosh from Adfactors to join us on stage. Thank you so much. Requesting Sri Ram Krishnan to stay back on stage with us. And now I'll request Mr. Sanjeev Jain and Mr. Sandeep Jain to kindly join us on stage to present the memento to NSE. All right, and now the moment we have been eagerly waiting for is here. It's almost 9:58, requesting all our dignitaries to gather near the bell for the bell ringing ceremony. Mr. Sanjeev Jain, Mr. Sandeep Jain, the family members, board members, Mr. Sumit Sood, and our host, Sri Ram Krishnan.
I invited.
So you all will see the countdown about the bell. You all will join me for last 10 seconds. Everyone excited? Yes? Please do not stand. We have live cameras behind. People on the stage, please follow the countdown on the bell. The countdown has begun, everyone. Please join me for last 10 seconds. "35 seconds to go, everyone. Excited? Yes? I can see all smiling faces in front of me. 29 seconds to go. We are slowly approaching that golden moment. The moment where Akums Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Limited will be officially listed on NSE. 13 seconds to go. Let's get ready for the final countdown. 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heartiest congratulations. बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ. Congratulations. Thank you so much. And with this, let's congratulate Akums and the entire family once again. It's been a milestone. We are grateful to our host, NSE, book running lead managers, all those who are watching us live, sitting here to celebrate this moment with us. Thank you so much. And now we continue with the photos later. Now it's time to continue with our mementos, remaining mementos. I will request Sandeep sir and Sanjeev sir to stay back on stage. Now it's time to present the special mementos to those special partners whose contribution have been invaluable in this successful listing. Let's begin with Mr. Santosh Verma from ICICI Securities Limited. So we have the entire team of ICICI Securities Limited. Next, I'll request Mr. Ujjwal Singh, Axis Capital Limited, to join us on stage. Next, I will request Mr. Arvind Vashisht, Citigroup Global Markets India Private Limited, along with his team, to join us on stage. Next, may I request Mr. Vikas Khattar from Ambit Private Limited to be on standby. Next, the representatives of Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas. Next, I'll request the representatives from Indus Law to be on standby. Let's welcome the representatives of Indus Law on stage with a round of applause, everyone. Next, requesting the representatives of Shardul Amarchand Mangaldas to be here near the stage. We can clap for them. From Shardul Amarchand Mangaldas. Anyone here? Okay, let's move on to the next one. May I request the representatives from Sidli to join us on stage? Okay, next one. Okay, he's here. Next, I'll request the representatives of Walker Chandok and Company LLP Chartered Accountants to join us on stage. Next, may I request the representatives from Lincoln Time India Private Limited. May I request Mr. Anupam Chaturvedi, Mr. Sanjeev Chaturvedi, and Mr. Shekhar Ghosh from Adfactors to join us on stage, along with the team. Let's have a round of applause, everyone, for Adfactors. May I have the representatives from Crystal Press? Anyone from Crystal Press? Okay, and now, ladies and gentlemen, it's our tradition to present the instant memory of the listing ceremony to the promoters. I will request Abhinav sir to present this instant photo frame of the listing ceremony to our promoters. We will get lots of pictures and videos later, but this instant copy of the photo will be a memory forever. So gifting this beautiful memory to Mr. Jain. Thank you so much, Abhinav sir. Yes, thank you so much, sir. And now to present the vote of thanks, may I request Mr. Santosh Verma, Executive Vice President, ICICI Securities Limited, to join us on stage.
Good morning, everyone. I'll keep it short and sweet. It has been a great pleasure working with Mr. Sanjeev Jain, Mr. Sandeep Jain, Mr. Sumit Sood, and the entire Quadria Capital team, who along with their very accomplished team members have achieved yet another milestone today. We at ICICI Securities are extremely grateful to you for giving us this opportunity to work as the left lead book running lead manager in this very prestigious IPO. We are proud of our association with Akums, helping them bring to the public markets through a tremendously successful IPO, which received an extremely strong response from both global and domestic marquee investors. Given the company's leadership position, strong management team, and favorable industry dynamics, we are extremely confident that the company will continue to innovate and carry on the tremendous work in the future as well, and continue to reward all its stakeholders. On this auspicious and momentous occasion of listing, I would like to convey our best wishes to the company for all the success in the coming years and in its endeavor towards growth and creating immense value for all its stakeholders. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And we have one more memento to be given to TANS. I'll request Sanjeev sir, Sandeep sir to once again join us on stage, and the representative of TANS as well, with a huge round of applause, everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much. And with this, we conclude our listing ceremony here. Anchor Mayuri Malankar signing off. Now the stage is open for the pictures, and please join us for the breakfast. Thank you.